Hey fam, so it's the end of the day and it's Friday. So susundo na kami.
With a kid.
Tiring week,
Oh yes.
nakakapagod na linggo. Pero lami kaayo kay Friday na. So let's go. How's your day, love?
Okay. Tiring training kanina. It's cloudy.
Okay, so cloudy na.
Oh.
And
It's
lagi
going
na
to
sobrang
snow
lamig.
na on Monday.
So today is Friday, meron silang weather forecast na magsusnow na sa Monday. So lagi na kami ding nakakap kasi malamig sa ulo. Pero medyo may sun pa din naman, pero
Yep.
hindi na siya gaano lakas. So papunta lang kami sa daycare ng mga kids.
His treat day.
Yeah, treat day daw. So punta lang kami, sundo ng mga kids, and baka mag-kinjo na lang kami. So our kids really like Japanese ramen.
Yeah.
So
Favorite.
that's the go-to restaurant. I mean,
Dito.
go-to
Dito
restaurant
sa Calgary.
is Japanese, pero so far Kinjo pa lang ang alam namin na restaurant na okay. So ayun, we'll try that again. Actually, parang twice pa lang tayo nakakain doon.
Oo. I know.
Yeah, twice
nga.
pa lang.
Tama.
Tayo and then nandito si Mama.
Oo.
Si Mama ay umuwi na a month ago sa
Month?
Pilipinas, sa
Oo
Laguna.
nga. Bilis, no?
So we miss you, Mama.
Uy, wala nang mga dad.
Oo nga. And then wala na ding mga puno.
Wala nang dahon yung mga puno.
Wala nang
Ano
mga
ba?
dahon yung mga puno. So ayun, ganito lang daily. Lalo na pag weekday, ganito lang lagi ang aming routine. It is a very good routine kasi I just work from home. So medyo convenient sa akin. Si Donna works in the Calgary airport, so medyo nagta-travel siya
Mhm.
every day. Unless may training ka na online, no?
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow pala may jam kami. So, previously may banda ko, banda rito, banda roon. Parang ganun lang.
Oo.
It's just a hobby. We weren't able to pursue it as a career. I wasn't able to pursue it as a career really. Kasi, syempre, dapat kang sumikat. So,
Hindi mo na nakita yung sarili mong
so
sisikat.
hindi ko nakita yung sarili kong sisikat. So, but it started all as a hobby. Outlet lang. Pag gusto mo kasing tumugtog, gusto mo lang talagang tumugtog eh. So regardless naman if may pay or wala. Pero syempre, later on due to practical reasons, pag adult ka na, hindi na pwede yung ganun-ganun na lang. So ayun. So tomorrow, mag-jam ulit.
First time mong makikijam dito
Oo
sa Canada.
Oo nga.
No?
Pati sa Singapore, di din ako nag-jam sa Singapore.
Kaya nga, so first time mo.
parang after 9 years of not playing.
Oo.
Yup, so sige lang. Practice lang. Practice.
Yeah.
Tsaka katuwaan lang. Siyempre, nakakamiss din naman pa. Nakakamiss din tumugtog. And next week, Friday, we have a surprise for you guys. Pero hindi mo na namin sasabihin until it's confirmed. Ayun, so we're very excited for that. And then, sana magustuhan nyo and makapulot kayo ng mga advice there, lalo na sa mga gustong pumunta sa Canada. May mga tips ako doon na since ako yung nag-asikaso ng mga papers, so may mga tips ako doon kung paano ang gagawin. Well, it's not professional advice, but that's what I did.
Ano yung-
That's what we did. And it was successful. So, okay. So, susundo muna kami ng mga kids. See you, fam, in a while. Bye.
Mommy, Dad.
Okay, so nasa loob na kami ng kotse.
If you owe me better,
It's my arms better? Opo. Di ba you kiss mommy's arms na? Good?
only first.
Huh?
You forgot to bless.
You just bless me and kiss
Yeah.
me. Di,
What about me?
di ba? Doon sa loob ng school?
Hindi ka na ba nag-bless, kuya? Hindi ba nag-bless ka?
Nakalimutan mo? Ay, sus, ang kuya ko.
So, kasi nasana yung mga kids pag kasundo namin sa kanila.
Nagbe-bless.
Every
and
time we
nagkikiss.
see each other, nagbe-bless and nagkikiss sila sa amin.
Daddy, you go there and miss you, Mommy.
So, papunta na kami sa treat ng mga bata.
You go here.
Punta kaming restaurant, Japanese restaurant. Do you like that, kuya?
Yay!
Yay! Do you like the Japanese restaurant? Alright. Okay, well, we're going there. We're going there.
But if there's a big bad wolf, I
Hmm.
need a wooden house.
Bakit?
No. A block house, red.
Mm-hmm.
Then if the wolf up and blow your house away, it won't blow away.
Alam ko yan sinasabi mo,
laging
anak.
talkative talaga yung
Let's
panganay, but humahabol na rin yung bunso sa pagiging talkative.
do red one, long wooden block,
Anong wooden
Opo.
block? Ano yun?
and then we open the door.
Yes.
And then the door will blow. And then the houses. And then don't blow the house in the wood hole.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Mm-hmm.
how will Daddy, Mommy, and Kuya Dave and Lian.
Kuya Devon and Lian and Mama Lang.
You miss Mama Lang?
Ang galing. Mabuti na lang natatandaan pa rin nila yung Mama La. Si Mama La. How about Mami La? Where's Mami La?
Where's Pamela?
Where's Mami La? What?
Vancouver, no?
Hindi ah.
In the?
We miss you, Grandpa. Grandpa's in the Mama's in the Philippines.
Okay.
Mama La in the
Opo.
Philippines.
You miss your grandpa.
How about
You miss your daddy, Mommy.
Yeah. Papa Lo is my daddy.
Mom, you got a husband.
Yeah, who's my husband?
Daddy. Mommy. And who's your wife?
Who's your wife, daddy?
it's Mommy Donna?
Daddy. So, Mommy.
Opo.
Kuya.
Okay, cool.
Mommy.
Lian naman, kuya.
Mommy.
She was saying, excuse me.
Mommy.
Opo.
So, Mommy. Excuse me.
Okay, you finish your sentence first, kuya, and then?
Mommy.
Opo.
Do you know? Mommy, do you know who's your Daddy, do you know who's your wife?
Yeah, I know.
Mom.
My wife is your mommy.
Mommy.
Yes,
I
Lian, your
have a
turn.
wife and I have a husband. Mommy, not. Mommy.
Your turn.
When I put, he's not talking to you.
Who?
Good, Devon.
Oh, he just finished talking. Ano po yun?
Mommy.
Opo.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going?
We're going to a Japanese, restaurant. Parang tagal na rin pala natin hindi nag-restaurant.
Daddy, do you know how
Ang daming lakad.
Yeah.
Ang dami nangyari. schedule lagi.
The black one. Why are you going fast? No speeding.
No speeding nga. Daddy is driving. Oh, look at the road, Alian. Ito yung way papunta sa Japanese.
Daddy, slow down.
That's normal.
Normal na yan ni Daddy. Nag-speeding ba si Daddy?
Di oh?
O, pag nag-speeding si Daddy, anong mangyayari?
Daddy will go to jail.
Daddy will go to jail. Okay.
Kasi? Opo.
But the movie be sad.
Oh, yes.
Not Daddy.
Oh, Leon,
Masad ka?
Sad.
Oh.
And me will be sad. And I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be sad.
Kaya nga si Daddy hindi nag-speeding kasi Daddy don't want you to be sad. Diba?
Bye, little pumpkin.
Do you wanna have pumpkin sa bahay? Ha? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? May pumpkin sa bahay? Halika na. Okay, nandito na kami sa restaurant. Favorite restaurant nila. Let's go, let's go.
Pokemon Pikachu. Yeah. Pokemon. Pokemon.
Yan, so laging masaya ang mga kids pag Friday. Yeah, Pokemon? Are those Pokemon? Oh, nasa na si na Mami? Nasa na si na Mami? You look for them. Oh yeah, you look for them. Nasa na si na Mami? I don't see Mommy. Okay guys, so hanapin lang muna namin at nawawala ang aking asawa at ang aking anak. Ayun, nakita na namin si Mommy. Ayun si Mommy nandun sa dulo. Yan si Mommy. Alright, so ramen night.
Wait a minute.
Ramen night tonight.
Can I have one?
You say hi.
Hi.
Hi Alba.
Hi, Alba from Mom.
Okay. Ayan, si Wifey. Ang aking magandang wifey. And that's my baby girl. Hi, you say hi. What are you going to say? Hi, Al. Hi, Alba Bam Bam. And that's my son. Son, what are you going to say?
Thank you.
Hi, Al.
Hi, Alba Babam.
Yay! Yan. So, ganda ng restaurant na to. Relatively good price, good value, good food.
Hi!
Hi.
Ganda muna, ganda.
Okay yan? Nagsiswim yung mga bata?
Yes,
going out. Okay, let's go! Let's go! Ayan, dami tao na dito. So, tapos na kami kumain. We're going now. Let's go! Let's go! Ooh, that's cold. Alright. Ayan, dito kami kumain. It's called Kinjo in Calgary. Okay, uwi na kami. Uwi na. Be careful. Be careful. It's super duper cold. Hi fam! So, pauwi na kami. And, ayun, nabusog ang mga kids.
Sulit.
So, sulit yung
Sulit
food.
talaga tong kainan na to.
Japanese.
Kinjo. Ha,
Kinjo.
ayun na yan.
So, okay, so drive muna ako.
Daddy, don't go down so scared. That one.
Daming tao, no?
Ang daming tao.
Ano pa?
Weekend kasi.
Ha?
Hold my hand.
Layo mo, anak.
Pick up that.
Which one is that?
That's the movie. That's
Why?
Meron!
yeah. And that's easy.
Oh, that TV? Wala naman. Go to Japanese restaurant na talaga natin.
Good value, cheap
Sobra.
price. I mean, good value. Good food.
Dito lang siya meron, no? Sa Calgary, dahil.
Yeah, I think so, but meron doon nakalagay. Mag-open na din daw sa Edmonton. They're hiring for Edmonton. So, I guess.
Sulit naman.
Sarap. Sarap.
Uwi na tayo sa bahay.
Wala kami
It's
guys
Friday
sa bahay.
night.
It's Friday. Chill na lang kami sa bahay.
Oo.
Later.
It's night time, kuya.
The usual routine namin is pagdating namin sa bahay,
Nagpe-play pa ang mga bata. Konti.
play ang bata for an hour. Pauwi na kami. So, sobrang sulit ng restaurant na kinainan namin. It's called Kinjo.
Yeah.
So, I think Calgary lang ang meron nun, but they're opening in Edmonton. Nakita ko sa parang ano nila doon, post nila. Somewhere dun sa restaurant. So, sarap ng food. Good.
Sa go-to, go-to Japanese restaurant.
Yeah. Value yung pagkain nila.
Saka meron din tayo, di ba? Sa Richmond.
Yeah, not
Japanese
so pricey. And then dun sa Richmond naman, back in Vancouver when we were there, my favorite thing kami doon, Yaya Ramen. So, lahat ng friends namin na mga bago or pag nandoon kakarating lang,
Mine.
doon namin laging dinadala. Kasi good place siya to eat.
At ano
Japanese
din,
ramen.
sulit
Tsaka,
din. Sulit din.
tsaka hindi siya mahal.
Pizza pie.
Relatively okay yung price. Dun
At
sa-
kanta ng kanta si Lian.
Yeah.
Ano?
So, kanta ng kanta ang
Aking bunso din.
bunso.
Pizza pie.
Okay. Yeah. So, ganyan yan sila pag, pag pauwi.
Long drive
Or,
na. Nag-drive.
Okay, so I think that's it for our Friday. And so bukas
Look at, kuya.
kami. And then yeah, hopefully I could record and vlog again para ma-share namin.
First,
Share ko sa inyo ulit
first job.
yung first job namin. So thanks guys. Thanks fam. Bye bye.